When learning sounds in words, children are often introduced to small groups of letter sounds with a mixture of consonants and vowels. For example, the first group of letters suggested by various education institutions includes the consonants S, T, P and N and the vowels A and I. One way of presenting the sounds is to use three-letter words of the form consonant, vowel, consonant, in which letters are not repeated. So words such as pip would not be allowed. We're asked to draw a tree diagram to represent the possible three-letter words from the consonants S, T, P and N and the vowels A and I. So we can start with a consonant. So we could start with any of S, T, P and N. Then we have to have a vowel. So from here we can either have A and I, A or I. So this could be, say, A, I, A, I, A, I, A, I. And then we have another consonant. Now there's only three choices. If I got to here and I used S first time, then I can have T, P or N. So T, P, N, T, P, N. So T, P, N, T, P, N. If I got to here, I've already used T. So that would mean S, T, T's already been used, S, P and N. So we can have S, P, N, S, P, N. If I get to here, P's already used. So we can have S, T or N. So these are S, T, N, S, T, N. And then here, because we've used the N, we can have S, T or P. So S, T, P, S, T, P. Now I can see there are 24 possible outcomes here. So the denominators for any probabilities will be 24 unless we have a conditional probability as we do in part D. So how many contain an S? Well, I can see all of these top six do because the S is here. And then after that I've got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's just count those. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 over 24, or a half. What is the probability that the word selected contains an N or an S? So the ones highlighted contain an S, and let's now look for the ones that aren't highlighted but contain an N so that we don't double count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to have 5, 6, 7, 8 which contain an N from here. So we know there were 12 before, add an extra 8, so that's 20 over 24, and that can be cancelled down to 5, 6, but you don't have to do that for the mark. What is the probability that the word beginning with an S does not end in a T? So we're now told they begin with an S, and we know if they begin with an S, we're just looking at these 6 here. So our denominator now becomes a 6. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that don't end in a T, so that's 4 out of 6, or 2/3.